Good morning, my good students. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to learn book back exercise. Already you are learned, but one more time I revise this book exercise. Have you seen turtles? Where do they live? Yes, I have seen turtle. They live in the oceans. Second one, what do you know about turtles? I know that turtles live long. Why do you think the turtles in the picture have names such as leatherback and housebill? I think that the shells of the turtles are like leather and housebill. Turtles are different from tortoise. It's the correct answer. Turtles are sea animals. Correct answer. There are 7 kinds of sea turtles in the world. Right? Sea turtles are very small. Wrong one. Turtles come ashore to lay eggs. Right one. Sea turtles come to rest on land. Wrong. Only have to lay some eggs, that's why come to the land. Olive Ridley are the only sea turtles seen on Indian shore. Correct one. Female olive redleys come ashore at night to lay eggs. Correct one. The eggs of an olive ridley are in the shape and size of a cricket ball. Wrong one. That egg look like tennis ball only. Redley come to lay their eggs on the month of January to March. Correct one. The turtles use their flippers and make a hollow for their nest. Correct one. The hatchlings use a tiny egg touch to come out of the eggs. Correct one. So one table column. Predators eat them for food. Protection from predators. The turtles. Predators only. Next one. Put them in grave danger. Conserve the turtles and make the area a safe zone for them. Let's choose the correct answers. First one, the dash is a biological relative of tortoise, sea turtle. In India's coastal water, we can see a species of sea turtles. Sea turtles come to the shore to lay eggs. It is a problem for sea turtles to come ashore because they find it difficult to walk on sand. The turtle's flippers help it to swim. A sea turtle camouflages its nest by tossing sand on it to incubate eggs in the warmth of the sun. Next one, swimming. I like swimming. It's a vocabulary exercise. Motorboat. We went on the motorboat. Went W-E-N-T, went on the motorboat. Crabs. People eat crabs as seafood. Sand. Children play on sand. Cavity. There are cavities in beach. Fill in the blanks. Tiny hatchling fall prey to many predators. Sea turtles live their whole life in the sea. The turtles come ashore only during the night. The predator follow the scent of the turtles to eat their eggs. The female turtles lay eggs and go back to the sea. First one, sun, the sun, while here road. Next one, a monkey at 10 a.m. pushed out the fence, range of the police when you see the monkey. Similarities and differences for the tortoise and turtles. Reptile family, land, sea, feed flippers, long life, grass, woods and flowers, insects and bugs. Uses feet to walk, uses flipper to swim, flippers to swim. Okay, small picture there. You have to make a meaningful paragraph. The help of these words. There are many sea animals in the ocean. They are beautiful and wonderful in varied size, shape and structures. The fishes are in different colors and are of different varieties. Many rare species of fishes are found in deep sea. Choose the rhyming words: clouds, jaws, cows, paws, green in dim, thin, crocodile, Nile, file, while, tail, scale, nail, male. Identify the character. All is gone. Payal to mom. She opened one eye and then the other. Owlie. Don't panic. Mom to Paya. The owlet was brown and grey. The Payal's family, they were all vegetarian. The cage was shifted to the library. Okay, read the passage and answer the following questions. Why did Payal and her mother went to buy Owlie? They thought that Owlie had died. What did Owlie do then? Owlie spent her eye and then the other. What did Payal learn from Owlie's pretense? Owlie learned the way of defending herself. So read the following jumbled sentence. First one, Payal house was a home of abandoned animals. Second one day they got a curtain. Third one, Payal's mother opened the curtain. Fourth one, she found an owlet on one corner. It was a small ball of brown and grey. Last one, Payal's mother picked her up gently. Find the group names. Sea aquatic, sea predator, sea product, sea vehicles, sea games, sea birds. These are all the clue of these answers. Okay students, next class we will learn new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.